Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily solve the microphone issues on your Motorola Moto G42. So, Motorola Moto G42 has a problem with itself actually on the speaker mode calls, loudspeaker calls actually, and the effect is that the receiver is just getting the noise, background noises, instead of your voice. So at first I'll recommend you to test the microphone itself as a hardware. At first we need to search for the application which is called the Device Help in Motorola, and here we have to tap I agree to the Motorola privacy statement. Tap Explore Device Help and tap Allow for notification, phone calls, etc. Here, as you can see, we do have every single thing. We have a tap Device Diagnosis and Hardware Test. Here, as you can see, we do have a lot of things, for example, display, backlight, touchscreen, multi-touch, flash, front camera, rear camera, proximity sensor, speaker, and receiver. So here we have to tap on microphone over here. We have to tap while in the app, and now move to core environment and then tap OK to start recording. After 3 seconds your recording will play back. Now I'm going to show you how you can easily do something. Yes, we can hear the recording. Yes. And here you can see it's working properly. But let's tap the microphone again, tap OK. Now I'm talking, and if you don't hear anything in your phone, it's damaged. Now if you tap No, you can see that status there might be a problem. Contact us to learn how it can be fixed. Let's now leave this application, and now it should work for you. Apart from that, we can turn off the noise cancellation in our phone, like in the microphone. At first we need to go to the settings, and here to the sound and vibration. Here now we have to scroll down and find the option like that. So, for example, now we can scroll down till we see, for example, wait a moment, where was that right now? It's all over here. As you can see, you can disable Dolby Atmos, but we don't really have to right now. And as you can see, we don't have here the noise cancellation, but on the newer Android versions, on the older ones, here I do have the Android 13. We have actually the noise cancellation option, but here we don't have it, unfortunately. So that was the second tip, and the third tip is to use the only one microphone. So during the phone call, try moving your phone some further from your face to minimize the sound suppression, and it should work for you. I think so. Yeah. And apart from that, it's maybe not a fix for your phone, but fix for the issue like the temporary one. You can use your headphones, pair the Bluetooth ones, or just use a cable ones. To pair your headphones with your phone, at first you need to go into Connected Devices and tap Pair the Device here. Now you'll see the device list of your Bluetooth. So for example, here I do have my private AirPods 2 Pros over here, and let's enter the pairing mode to show you the difference, but maybe not the difference, but how to pair. Now we are in pairing mode, and here we have AirPods Pro. We have to tap that and confirm by tapping pair. And now, as you can see, it should work for us. This is the step that we can do to avoid using the phone's microphone. And it's not really a fix, it's a tip for you, but it still works the same. Apart from that, you can check if your phone, phone's application to calling, for example, if you're using WhatsApp or just a phone or Telegram or Messenger, check if this application has an update. If it does, update your application. There might be a fix for you. To know if your application does have an update, enter the Play Store and tap here your profile picture. Now tap Manage Apps and Device and here tap here on Updates Available. Here, as you can see, we do have one application to update, which is YouTube, not really a Messenger application. But here, if you have your application, update it. Apart from that, you can check if your phone does have an update, and to do so, at first go to Settings and scroll all the way down till you see the System Updates. Tap that and here tap Check for Updates. We don't really want to have the security updates because it's not really that important, but Motorola can release the patch fix for the microphone in your device, and it should fix your issue actually. It sometimes happens. Of course, I don't think so that right now Motorola should receive an update, but if you have some older version, just try to update your Android or just update to the latest patch fix. And if that didn't work for you, you have to contact the device support of the Motorola. Every single person in the world, maybe not every single, but this problem was international, from, for example, India, Brazil, and USA, and they was hoping for the urgent fix. So you can, encourage the Motorola, like the company, to release the patch fix for your microphone in the help here in the help application. Now, if you did everything, and even the factory reset, which you don't really have to do, didn't work, you have to just leave your phone the authorized service. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's really motivational and really helps us. And if you have some drawbacks, if you have some questions, ask them in the comments below. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.